I want to know more about that story. Like, how did you meet your friend who turned you from troll to furry?
Well, we were playing Space Engineers on Xbox, playing on the beta servers, doing a bunch of fun stuff. I headed a faction, just stupid, just running around, building ships, playing Space Engineers, and I just needed people to play with, and I just met them on the Keen software server, brought them in, and we were just playing for the longest time. We played for like 6 different servers. We got a faction of like 25 people. It was just fun, and they know how to party.
And so, just the kind of focused activity and missions and kind of planning that got your mind into a cooperative state, maybe?
Maybe it's been so long since that, so
Yeah.
I would assume, or just the general idea of chilling with someone that was actually pretty decent. That wasn't the stigmatism of a weird, you icky furry. Just changed my ideas on.
And so that was in here that you were playing together or in a different app?
That was a completely different game.
Okay.
We would play on Discord and go on from there. That's where we did most of our chats and had all Discord and so on.